Good afternoon and welcome to today's short video. Today we're just quickly running around Thomas and the Troublesome trucks with Ruffey as well. Hope you enjoy. I need to get a brake van as well, ideally. This is obviously in G scale too. I've only got a small track, a really small track. Excuse the mess in the background as well. I still need to do more with this AstroTurf as well. I need to put ballast and all sorts, but gives you a good idea of how it's going to be. And in Carabao there as well, parked up in the siding. Yeah, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more Thomas related content in the future. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.